Hello guys, welcome again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I would show you how you can force quit applications that are not responding on your PC, applications that are frozen or hang on your PC. So I will take you through how you can quickly and easily force quit those applications and restart them to use them. So it can be your browser like the Microsoft Edge, it can be your Outlook application, it can also be your Excel application or files. So you can see I have these 4 Excel files open on my PC. My PC is actually working great, but I'm going to use it to demonstrate this anyways. So I have this particular Excel file. So what you need to do is to press Ctrl Shift Escape to bring up the task manager, or you can also right click the taskbar and select the task manager. So this is the tool we're going to use to perform this operation. So when you look under apps, you will see all the applications running under or running on your PC. So beside the applications, you will see this small arrow. When you click on it, you will see the files that are running under that particular application. So when you look through the list and you find a file that is hung or not responding, you can right click on it, select the end task to close the hang file. You can do same for other files under that same application that is not responding. But let's assume after quitting that file, Microsoft Excel still doesn't respond or it keeps freezing. All I want to do is to right click on the main application, which is Microsoft Excel, select end task to quit the application completely from running on this PC. And then from here, I will locate where the files are saved, open them again and continue working in the Microsoft Excel application. But in this case, I will search for Excel, click on it, click blank workbook, and you can see the files we force quit earlier. You can select any of these to view them or to open them and continue working in them. I'll click the close, select the first option, select OK, and then that should be it. So it can also be a browser or any other application. So let's say Microsoft Edge is also not responding on this PC. I'll right click it, select the end task. From there, the Microsoft Edge application would be forcefully closed on your PC. And the next time you start up your Edge browser, you will get the restore option to restore your tabs. Kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. And then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.